Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your favicon in Shopify Dawn theme. So it is pretty simple and easy to do. So what you'll need to do is just open your Shopify control panel, then click on online stores, click on themes, and click on edit theme. And here you'll see your website. And after that, what you'll need to do is click right here on theme settings, and you'll see the logo. And right here you can upload your logo and your favicon. So I will select an image, my YouTube channel logo right here, wait till it processes it, and to mark it, every favicon will be displayed at 32x32 pixels. So that's pretty much it guys. Now to finalize our work, we need to save it, and if we click on these three dots and click on view, you'll see that you changed your favicon right here, as you can see, like this. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.